To install a door handle insert guard, you will need a 30% alcohol, 70% water solution, and a clean microfiber cloth. The first step is to spray inside the door handle cavity and wipe it down with the microfiber cloth. The second step is to peel the film off of the paper and be careful to avoid touching the adhesive. Spray the alcohol solution on the adhesive, which will activate it and prevent debris from collecting underneath. The third step is to slide the film behind the door handle, tack it down with your thumb in the middle, and spray it again. Make sure it is centered and straight. With your thumb, secure the film in sections, applying even pressure to prevent pockets of air from forming. It may help to apply liquid soap to your thumb to help it slide across the surface more easily.